Israel burns Gaza for a year and a half with missiles funded by American taxpayers, only for God's punishment to strike the U.S. in just 2 days. For over a year and a half, Gaza has endured relentless bombing by missiles financed through the taxes paid by American citizens. This brutal assault has caused immense suffering for Gaza's residents and left its infrastructure in ruins, while the world remained largely silent. However, in just 2 days, divine retribution struck the United States as a natural disaster consumed an area larger than Gaza itself. This event raises profound questions about justice and the consequences of supporting oppression.